Welcome back. Well, the SGX Nifty is indicating that we'll have another positive start. Not that it matters anymore, honestly speaking. It's been such a strong market, and if the market perhaps had a bit of a shakeout on Wednesday. That's it, and after that, it's just been on Tuesday rather, and then just been moving higher. We have Sanjiv Bhasin now joining us. He's director at IIFL Securities. Sanjiv, hi, good morning. Good to talk to you as always. 18,000 is here. You can smile now. This was your target on the Nifty, right? It's come maybe sooner than you would have expected, right? What next?
Yeah, good morning. So Anuj, arguably we've had the best 2 months in the last 12 months. And who's complaining? So 18,000 is just a number. You can see there's a humongous feeling of left out. So 19, 20, 21, we could be headed anywhere. India is a huge outperformer, and I think the Fed policy, all the external macros will be priced in by the end of September. And I'm looking for a global rally, given the pent-up demand globally and India being an outperformer.
Okay, Sanjiv, hi, good morning. You can see it all around, right? Even in the markets, there's leadership coming through from a lot of pockets, whether it's autos, consumption, banks. Who or which are the stocks you think could lead the next leg of the rally?
Yeah, good morning. So, Sonia, such is the world of stocks which tell you that despair and ecstasy go hand in hand. And if you could buy the despair, you are laughing to the ecstasy now. Well, it's just started. Auto numbers are telling you that there is a very, very strong pent-up demand. Hotels, travel, tourism, banks are laughing their way on the credit side. Look at how the mid-cap banks have done. Cement, you forgot to mention Ambuja hitting a new high. That was my last topic when I came to you on your show last time, when 365 was the open offer and the price was much below that. And I think that whole host of OEMs. So collectively, the market has now enough pillars to take you up. Even IT and metals to some extent would be something which I could be looking out to drive the markets higher.
Hi Sanjeev, and good to hear your bullish commentary continue as well, and good when you stick your neck out when there's a lot of despair out there. So you've got that call right. I wanted a quick update. You spoke about Ambuja Cements. Cement has done very, very well. But what do you do from here? Is there still pockets that you would look to buy, the larger or the smaller names?
Yeah, good morning, Nigel. The point is not putting your neck out. The point is being consistent. Consistency pays off. And if I was consistent from 15.5, then at 18.5, I'll be more consistent on a lighter note. Well, UltraTech, 114 million tons of capacity. It is the largest player. Ambuja, ACC combined have 58 million. And UltraTech numbers, margins are all going to exceed targets. So at 6,900, I would still put my money on UltraTech for a target of 8,500. And we think, the way construction, the way capex is picking up, UltraTech will be one stock to be watched out for.
Okay, Sanjeev, in the recent past, you've been extremely bullish on the tier 2 banks. You've seen decent moves in some of these names. Especially the couple of PSU ones. Even in the private space, we've seen big moves in Federal and City Union Bank. From a risk-reward point of view, is this still a good space to be in?
Yeah, Anuj, so very well spotted. Actually, if you saw the components of some of the banks, of course, ICICI, but look at IDFC first, look at City Union, like you said, look at Federal, and look at Bank of Baroda, it's hitting new highs. Who thought that PSUs will be the, flavor of the day, month and year? And I still think there is steam there. I'll give you a dark horse. I think Union Bank and PNB, they are, hated stocks, but the managements themselves are saying that we are sitting on excess cash and our lending season, actions or quantity is going to be huge. So take it with a pinch of salt. I've been holding PNB all the way from 34 and recommending. But Union Bank is my dark horse. 35, 36 was where we entered. We are not going to exit till 75 or 80 on Union Bank. That could be my dark horse on a small ticket size. But if you want to stay with the larger ones, then obviously ICICI, Kotak are two of our favorite picks. Bank of Baroda and State Bank on the PSU side.